Okay, the Dan Whitmore, who was running for office earlier, is no longer here, but other folks are. This is at the Arkansas State Capitol. And now the police are on both ends here. There's groups that are trying to say, look, they're blocking one end of the Capitol.
They're coming to charge.
65 days in a year. Get out of the road! Y'all should be here 465 Get out of the road! We don't care! Get out of the road! We don't
So
care!
they're coming, and then over here are the people that are trying to
Protect the statue.
Police apparently told them not to come out.
Yeah.
Because they were starting to.
365 days!
But they didn't
Y'all better protect that statue!
Yeah, so Antifa Black Lives Matter is out in the road. They're blocking the road. Of course, the road is already blocked off. Here's some old lady walking by with a water bottle. She needs to kind of... It's a fan with somebody. Okay, that's just a random fan. That's some doctor's office or something.
Now they're going back.
Okay, well now they're in the road. I guess they tried to stop them from going forward. They're trying to keep the groups separate.
So why are they walking?
They got their fist up and they're walking away from the Confederate statue. I don't know, are they going to try to block I-630? They did that before. They blocked the interstate. No, they're going down Capitol. Now, last time they did vandalize the. Looks like that's it. Looks like for now they are leaving. Okay, here's the guy with a Gandalf staff, and he's up here. I don't know whose side he's on with the Gandalf staff. Oh, there's a black guy right here, and he's a black to blue. Let's see if I can get an interview. There's a guy walking his dog. Looks like pit bull. And the Black Lives Matter people are kind of walking away. Oh, this guy looks like a leader.
Turn their back to that bullshit.
And he's there. I don't know if he's the leader or who he is.
When you respond to them, you go to their level. You turn your back to them. That's how you respond to them. You obey the law.
I don't know if this is the organizer of the counter protest or who he is. See if I can get an interview with him.
Just a guy with good sense, man.
That's how America works.
This guy making his own voice. He's got a Blue Lives Matter American flag t-shirt.
When they come up, you stand in line and you turn your back to them. That's how you win.
Well, they appear to have won. The Kipp Brown threatened to tear down the statue. He said he was going to shoot anybody who tried, and it appears that nothing really happened. They are marching down to the Capitol.
You want to tear down the